Hey there, my name is Devon Brown, and I'd like to congratulate you on making your way to this page. Now, I'm going to be your host for the upcoming presentation that reveals to you how the easiest system ever is literally changing the lives of everyday people from all around the world who are looking for a legitimate way to finally see results in an online home-based business. And I cannot wait to unpack the system for you and show you how it works exactly step by step. Now, a few things before we get started. You see, on this page somewhere, you should see a countdown timer. Now, when that countdown timer hits 0, you should be automatically taken to the presentation room where I'm going to reveal to you exactly how the easiest system ever works. Now, if the countdown timer hits 0 and you get forwarded to the page before this video finishes, not to worry, because I'll be going over a lot of the stuff in this video. I'll be going over it on the actual presentation, so don't freak out if that happens. But if you've got a few minutes before the web class starts, I want to share a few very important things with you. Now, the first thing that I want to share with you is that I want you to watch this presentation from a desktop or a laptop computer if possible. That is the way to get the most and have the best experience while you're watching. Now, if mobile is all you have, then don't worry about it. Just go ahead and watch it on your mobile. But if you can get to a desktop or a laptop computer, then I want you to go ahead and get to that desktop or laptop computer and watch the presentation from a desktop or laptop. Trust me, that is going to be your best bet. Now, if you're thinking to yourself, Devon, I want to do that, but how do I get back to this page? Well, great news. We've actually sent you a link. So the second thing I want to tell you is to check your email for a backup link. If for any reason you get disconnected or anything, we've just sent a backup link to the email that you used when you registered to watch this free presentation. So that should be in your email. And if for whatever reason you don't see it, make sure you check your spam, because sometimes, as I'm sure you know, emails end up in spam. Now, the third thing I want to tell you is to make sure that you grab a pen. Make sure that you grab a pad of paper, make sure that you have something to take notes with, and make sure that you remove all distractions. Look, if I'm being completely honest with you, I have been in this internet marketing home-based business game for over 20 years. And what I'm going to share with you, I promise you, it's going to be unlike anything that you've ever seen before. I know that's a huge promise. I know people have told you that before, but actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and just pull back the curtain a little bit right now. And this is going to be explained more on the actual presentation, but let me just tell you why I say this is going to be unlike anything you've ever seen before. The reason I say that is because the easiest system ever is called the easiest system ever because it takes all of the things that have previously kept you from success, all of the technical hurdles, all of the how to get traffic hurdles, all of the what to sell hurdles, all of the product creation hurdles. It takes all of that stuff and it just eliminates it. It says, you know what? Let somebody else set all of that up for you and you just push a few buttons, right? I know it sounds a little hypey, but if you'll just attend the pre-presentation, then you'll see that everything I'm saying is actually true, and you can see it for yourself, and you can see that this has been working for regular everyday people from all around the globe for quite some time. All right, so the third thing is just a quick recap, just remove all distractions and grab a pen and grab a pad of paper because you're going to want to take notes.